Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create RAR and Zip archives on OPPO Find N2 Flip. And to do this you'll need to open a RAR app I've shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack. Select each of the file, click on the plus button. You'll enter archiving options. Here you can customize the settings how the files will be packed. In this case I'm gonna go with a default as it's fine to do so. So let's click on OK. And here's the camera RAR that we've just created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.